Because we have extra inputs on the I12T11, we can use all 31 motion profiles regardless of whether or not we are using a homing mode. To modify a motion set, click on any of the boxes within the row of that set. This blank screen will appear. Click on the arrow to select the type of move you want to make, either an absolute move, a relative move, a gearing move, a registration search, a move velocity, or a stop move. At the end of each screen setup, you are able to select the output state of 3 programmable status bits. These can be left alone if desired. So input the data into each move field so the motion sequence is completed. And click OK. As you can see, the columns within this set row are now populated with the motion data. A registration move uses 2 motion sets. Each of these numeric set numbers is tied to its binary equivalent. So, to select motion set number 1, the PLC would have to send the binary equivalent of number 1 to the Compax3. The address select inputs for the Compax3 I12T11 are inputs 8 through 12. The Compax3 views 24 volts DC as a logical 1 and 0 volts DC as a logical 0. No matter what, motion can only take place when the Compax3 sees a state change from logical 0 to logical 1 at the go input, which is input 13, sent from the PLC. Here's an example. The PLC sends logic pattern of 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 to inputs 12, 11, 10, 9, and 8 respectively. This selects motion set number 1. The PLC then sends a logical 1 to the go input and the motion set number 1 takes place. The PLC sends a logic pattern of 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 to inputs 12, 11, 10, 9, and 8 respectively to select set 3. Let's input some numbers for set 3. We'll make this -10. We'll keep our programmable status bits the same and click OK. The PLC then sends down a logical 1 to the go input and motion set number 3 takes place once. If we want to perform set number 3 again, we would have to hold our inputs at 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 and the PLC would have to send another go input to the Compax3. If homing is used, a binary address of 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 to the inputs followed by a go from the PLC initiates the homing sequence. The homing sequence always takes place with the very first go input whenever a power cycle occurs. Click Next to proceed to the next screen.